Hey guys, my name is Freedom. How to make the soft cloth simulations for your Blender 5.1 3D animations. You can see now I already created a soft cloth. From beginning, it is just a piece of plane. This is a square plane. Now it cover on the cylinder. I try to play. Now you can see it is really a soft cloth. How to make this? I'm going to show you all this step by step. Start from beginning. Everything will just start from beginning. Let's go. Right, first in Blender 5.1, click the empty area and just press A and just press delete to delete everything. For this time, I'm going to just add a mesh, add a cylinder. This cylinder, I'm going to just cover a soft cloth on the cylinder. I just add a mesh, add a plane. Just click move and just move it up and just press S to just make it bigger. Then next, click the cylinder, go to the physics, and then just add the collision. Next, click the plane, and then click cloth. Click the plane and click cloth. This is under physics. Then if you try to play, it is going to drop. And then click the plane, go to the edit mode, and just press A to select, or just right click subdivide a few times to make it many faces. Back to the object mode, you try to play. Now you can see it already become a soft cloth. If you want to just make it become more details, you can just back to the object mode and then go to the edit mode. Just right click to subdivide it many times so that it can have a very smooth details. Now I back to the object mode and I try to play. Now you need to take some time to just make it finish render. Then you need to just wait for a while until it finish. Right, it's almost done. Then now actually I can just pause it and just back to the first frame I tried to play. Now you can see it already become a soft cloth. Now I go to the viewport shading. I click and just add a color, add a material for the cloth. Change the base color. Let's say this is green. I try to play, and if you already changed something, you need to just wait for a while again. Wait until it finish. Now it's almost done. Just wait for a few more seconds. You can just let it run until finish. But for this time, this is just a demo. I'm going to just look at the effect. Now I try to play again from beginning. This is a soft cloth. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to create a soft cloth simulations for your Blender 5.1. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to this YouTube channel if you love my videos tutorials about 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing. See you.